The moment you pull into a fuel station these days, something feels different. The numbers on the pump climb faster than your comfort level. Every liter feels heavier, every refill more painful. Petrol prices are rising, and for millions of drivers, it's no longer just an inconvenience, it's a serious financial pressure. But here's the truth. Most people don't realize it's not just fuel prices that are the problem, it's how we drive, because hidden in your daily routine are small habits, almost invisible ones, that quietly drain your fuel tank faster than you think. Habits that cost you money every single day. What if you could cut your fuel usage nearly in half without changing your car? No expensive upgrades, no complicated mechanics, just smarter driving. Today, we're breaking down 7 powerful, real world fuel saving tricks that can transform the way your car consumes petrol. These aren't myths. These are practical, proven techniques used by experienced drivers and mechanics, and once you start using them, you'll never drive the same way again. Let's start with the biggest mistake drivers make: aggressive driving, rapid acceleration, hard braking, sudden throttle inputs. It might feel normal, even necessary in traffic, but it's one of the fastest ways to burn fuel. Every time you press the accelerator aggressively, your engine dumps extra fuel to generate power quickly. Then, when you brake hard, all that energy and fuel is wasted. It's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole in it. Instead, focus on smoothness, accelerate gradually, maintain steady speeds. Anticipate traffic ahead so you don't have to brake suddenly. Driving smoothly doesn't just save fuel, it transforms your entire driving experience. The car feels calmer, more controlled, more efficient, and over time, this one habit alone can reduce fuel consumption significantly. Your car is most efficient when it's not constantly changing speed. Think about highway driving versus city traffic. On the highway, your speed is steady. The engine works in a consistent rhythm. Fuel consumption stabilizes. In city traffic, you're constantly stopping, starting, accelerating, braking. That's where fuel disappears. So what's the solution? Maintain a constant speed whenever possible. If your car has cruise control, use it on highways. If not, train your foot to hold the throttle steady. Avoid unnecessary speed fluctuations. Even small changes, accelerating just a bit more than needed, can increase fuel consumption over time. Consistency is efficiency. Tire pressure matters more than you think. This is one of the most ignored factors in fuel economy. Under-inflated tires. When your tire pressure is low, more of the tire surface touches the road. This increases rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to work harder to move the car. More effort equals more fuel burned. It's that simple. Even slightly low tire pressure can reduce fuel efficiency noticeably. The fix: check your tire pressure regularly, at least once every 2 weeks. Follow the manufacturer's recommended SI, usually found inside the driver's door or in the manual. Properly inflated tires not only save fuel but also improve handling, safety, and tire lifespan. It's one of the easiest wins you can get. Avoid unnecessary idling. Imagine your car sitting still, engine running, fuel burning, but you're going nowhere. That's idling, and it's more wasteful than most people realize. Whether you're waiting outside a shop, stuck in traffic, or sitting with the AC on, your engine continues to consume fuel. Modern engines are efficient, but they're not magic. If you're going to be stopped for more than 30-60 seconds, turning off the engine can save fuel. It might seem like a small action, but over weeks and months it adds up. Less idling equals more savings. Reduce extra weight. Your car is not a storage unit, yet many drivers treat it like one. Extra tools, old items, bags, equipment, things that stay in the trunk just in case. Every extra kilogram adds load to your engine, and the heavier your car, The more fuel it needs to move, it's physics. So take a moment and check your vehicle, remove unnecessary items. Keep only what you actually need. Even a small reduction in weight can improve efficiency, especially in city driving where acceleration is frequent. Light car equals less fuel consumption. Use air conditioning. Smart air conditioning is a hidden fuel consumer when you turn on the AC. Your engine has to work harder to power the compressor. That extra load increases fuel usage, but this doesn't mean you should drive in discomfort. It means you should use a C intelligently. At lower speeds. Consider opening windows instead of using a C. At higher speeds. Keep windows closed and use a C moderately because open windows increase aerodynamic drag. Also, avoid setting the AC to maximum unnecessarily. Maintain a comfortable, balanced temperature. Smart usage can make a noticeable difference. Regular maintenance is non-negotiable. Your car is a machine, and like any machine, it performs best when properly maintained. Dirty air filters restrict airflow to the engine, reducing efficiency. Old engine oil increases friction. Faulty spark plugs affect combustion. All of this leads to one thing: more fuel consumption. Regular servicing ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Replace air filters when needed. Use the correct engine oil. Keep your spark plugs in good condition. A well-maintained car doesn't just last longer, it uses less fuel every single day. Bonus insight. Plan your route. Something most drivers overlook. Route planning, taking longer routes, getting stuck in traffic, or driving through congested areas increases fuel usage dramatically. Use navigation apps to find the shortest, least congested route. Avoid peak traffic hours when possible. Less time on the road means less fuel burned. It's a simple but powerful strategy. The bigger picture. No. Step back for a moment. None of these tricks require money. No upgrades, no new car, no expensive technology, just awareness, just smarter driving habits. And that's the real shift, because fuel efficiency isn't just about the car, it's about the driver. Two people can drive the same vehicle on the same road and get completely different fuel results. Why? Because one drives aggressively, carelessly, unconsciously, and the other drives with intention, with control, with awareness. That difference shows up at the fuel pump. Final thoughts: petrol prices may be rising, and that's something we can't control, but how we use fuel, that's entirely in our hands. Every smooth acceleration, every steady speed, every smart decision behind the wheel adds up, and over time, those small changes become big savings, not just for your wallet, but for your car, your driving experience, and even the environment. So the next time you start your engine, remember this: fuel isn't just something you burn, it's something you manage. Don't forget to subscribe to Meer Motor Hub for more smart driving tips, automotive insights, and cinematic content that helps you drive better and save more. And now tell me in the comments, which fuel saving trick are you going to start using today?